guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I have with me Fiat Abarth 595 Competizione that comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission and 180 horsepower, and I just want to present you. It's not a brand new car, but I didn't review it yet on my channel, so I still think that it's a great mini sporty car to drive. It's a great all-arounder. You can park it in small space in the city. You can have fun with it on the track. You can have fun with it on the highway. You can drive long trips, short trips. You can drive economical, or you can have super fun in sport mode. So now, if you are in Switzerland, around Switzerland, check out Paris Automobile. If you want to buy the car, see the car, test drive the car, I will leave the link in the description. The price of the car, 28,990 francs. I will have a separate video on my channel with the same car, full review, interior, exterior. There I explain you more details about the car. In this video it's all about driving, so I will give you fast some technical data and then we will go forward. Yeah, I want to go a little bit deeper in details and then we will start the test drive, guys. So the car comes with a 1.4 liter petrol engine, 4 cylinders in line. It's connected with a 5-speed automatic transmission. The clutch type is dry single disc clutch. It's a front wheel drive system and it has 250 Newton meters. Fuel consumption combined 5.8 liters. Also the range of the car around 603 kilometers. Fuel tank capacity 35 liters. CO2 emission 134 gram. Top speed of the car 225 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 in 6.9 seconds. Comes with ventilated brake disc on the front, normal brake disc on the rear, 17-inch rims. It comes with McPherson strut, coil spring suspension independent on the front, and coil spring with torsion bar on the rear. So those are the most important technical data. I know it's very important to drive it, so let's drive the car, guys, and in the end we will make the conclusion. All right, guys, let's drive the car. By the way, this is the key with Abarth logo up here. Actually, you have to open the key in order to start the engine in a classic way. What you can do with the key, lock and unlock the car. Doesn't come with an automatic lift gate, but you can unlock it from this button. Anyway, by the way, guys, before we start driving, 17-inch rims, beautiful. Cross-drilled brake discs on the rear. Crazy. We have Brembo brakes, by the way, 4 pistons, ventilated brake discs, cross-drilled brake discs, incredible rims and brake, phenomenal. Check out the review, guys. There I show you more details about that. Let me go inside, unlock the car. Here we have Abarth on this plate writing. It looks nice. Also very nice are the pedals, are phenomenal. I mean, the pedals, very good quality, the seats, Alcantara fabric material combination, super nice sport seats. Let me go inside. Great comfort here once you are inside the car. I drive the car and the comfort on those seats is just incredible. The car comes with manual handbrake. Let me put the key here, USB ports, more detail about that in the full review video. Press the brake. In order to, by the way, start the engine, you have to use the classic way. Right now the engine is on. You can see a nice graphic on the screen, on the multimedia there as well. Let me put the seat belt. Let's drive the car. Beautiful view around the windows, by the way. Huge windows, great visibility right there on the mirrors. Very good visibility in this mirror up here. We have a big window in the back. Phenomenal steering wheel. We have Alcantara, we have carbon fiber here, and leather on the side. Great grip. Pedals to change the gear manually. The car comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission, but you can change manual the gearbox if you want to. You press this button to auto or manual, and I will show you as we drive. Here is the fun button. This is the Scorpio button. Once you press it, you activate the sport mode, and you can see it's activated the turbo bar here in the left side. It's super awesome. It shows you this acceleration and information about the car. Other than that, more details, check out the full review. There I give you more details. Let's start driving, guys. First of all, this is neutral, this is reverse. We don't have a reverse camera, we have some only sensors, and 1, it's drive. Once you press 1, you are in drive, automatic mode, and from here right now you can start and you can drive in auto mode. If you want to go in manual mode, you press M, and then right now you are in manual mode, and you change the gears from here, from the pedals. Let me go back in auto and let's drive the car. You can adjust the seats, by the way, backward, forward, but you cannot adjust the seats up and down. That's quite of a downside. By the way, the turning radius of the car, it's quite good. It's a small car, you can turn it in small space without any problem. It's quite agile, and also the steering wheel feeling, it has this sporty steering wheel. It's a little bit heavier, kind of a BMW feeling, I should say. It's a nice feeling, really nice feeling, and it's an incredible steering wheel. Also the suspension are quite stiffer. They are like a proper sporty car. It's super fun to drive this car, I tell you. Here we have also the climatic system if you want to use it. It's quite hot outside. Let me use it on manual mode. It's super easy to take the curves. Great visibility, huge windows. Even the windshield, it's big. The windows on the side are big. Right now the automatic transmission is changing the gears for me, and it's doing in a big way. It's doing great feeling. It's so fun. It feels like you're quite close to the ground there. Here, turning circle. So easy, so easy. It's super fun. And if you activate the sport mode, oh yeah, it's a beast. And also the sound, it's nice from the exhaust. In sport mode, the steering wheel, I have to tell you, it's even stiffer. Acceleration much more responsive. Wow, the steering wheel, it's really, you really feel like the steering wheel, it's stiffer right now. The mechanical inside this car is phenomenal. Wow. Oh my god. It's wow. I can't even explain the feeling. Wow, the way it stays on the ground, it's fabulous. The acceleration, it's incredible. The brakes are great. Oh, this is a proper sporty car. Even in automatic mode, guys, I know many people complain, oh, a sporty car with automatic transmission, not so nice. But I tell you, this is something else. It's really good. It's really good. Over the bumps, stiffer suspension, sporty suspensions. At least in sport mode, the steering, it's very heavy, very heavy. You feel that feedback from the ground. You feel every single bump on the road. It's like a proper sporty car. Feel really close to the ground. Let me put it. The turbo bar down here in the left, it's quite fun. If we change to manual mode, let's go to manual. Right now we are in manual mode. I have to change the gears manually from the pedals here behind the steering wheel. Oh yeah. Nice. It's also show you when you should change the gears. We hear in the back that nice lovely sound. It's a little, you can hear a little bit of noise from outside. The sound insulation is not that perfect, but in terms of driving feeling, it's wow, it's lovely. It's very easy to change the gears. Lovely car. On the roundabout, wow, the way it stays on the ground, it's crazy. Oh, wow, I love it. I like it. I like it so much. It's so fun. It's so real. Wow, once you learn to change the gears in perfect place, it's much better than with automatic transmission. Wow, nice. You have to hear the engine, you have to feel the engine to change the gears in perfect place. Depend how you want to drive it. You can drive also in manual mode, in a economical way, or you can drive super fun. Right now we go down. Nice, nice. Great system. Let's go back to automatic. Right now we are on automatic, and the car will change the gears for me. If we go in normal mode again, the steering, it's super soft. I drive so many cars, so many expensive cars, but I tell you guys, many cars have eco, normal, sport mode, but I tell you, in this Abarth, when you go to sport mode, the steering, you really feel a big difference from the normal mode. Even though even in normal mode right now, the steering wheel is quite sporty, when you go in sport mode, you really feel like it's super tight and super heavy. It's a big difference from other cars, so they know how to make those cars. Fiat know how to make this sporty car, and that's why it was so successful, this car. And I think even today in 2022, it's a great buy. It's a great buy. We have left a few years to have some fun with petrol engines, and if you're on the market for a super sporty mini car, this Abarth, it's still there on the market. You can still find a few cars here and there. Amazing car. Right now we are in normal mode. Let's go back to sport mode. Steering wheel again, super stiffer. Whoa boy, how it stays good in the curves as well. It stays incredible good. Man, love it. I love the car. Oh, it asks you to go fast. It asks you to accelerate. It asks you to give your best. It's lovely car. Really, really lovely. I can get used to this car. And also for what it offers, I think the price is quite good, around 28,000 francs, $28,000 there. It's a good price. It's not bad at all. Go back to normal mode and drive more silent, I should say. Even the exhaust sound, it's lovely. Visibility is perfect. For the city, it's just an incredible car. It's small, you can park it in small spaces, and for the highway it's just a beast. It's quite real. The sporty feeling, the suspension are great, the acceleration phenomenal, steering wheel top. The seats are also perfect for a sporty car. The seats are just the way they should be. Let me close the climatic system. Don't need it anymore. Let's park the car here. I don't even need to show you anything about the car, because the car doesn't have I mean, in terms of parking and reverse camera and stuff like that. I like also the pedals. The pedals feel really good quality. Really good quality. Let me put it back in place here. By the way, guys, if you are in Switzerland, around Switzerland, if you want to see the car or buy the car, you can come here at Parisi Automobile and you can test drive it. You can see the car. It's lovely. I really like it. Manual handbrake. That was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the test drive. If you want to see the full review, I have a separate video with the same car, so check it out. Probably it's already on the channel. If it's not already on the channel, click the subscribe button to see notification when that video will come on the channel. I'm really looking forward to hear your opinion about this car. What do you think about the car? I think it's probably in top 3 mini sporty car on the market these days. And I still think you can have some fun with it a few years until electric era will come. I will miss those cars. It's really good. Steering, the feeling from the steering wheel with the ground is just incredible. The pedals, the acceleration, the seats are also good. Great visibility, super fun car. No wonder, yeah, as I said before, it has so much success. Great car. Anyway, that was the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I will really appreciate that. So thank you very much to all of you that watching my videos. My rating for this car, it's 9.8. It's a great rating. It's a great car. And that was all, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe and see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.